Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna's price comparison tool. So if you've been wondering how to use Klarna's price comparison tool, then this video is definitely for you. It's going to be a quick one, just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to Klarna's website. Also, you can also just log into your account on Klarna's mobile app. But for now, just go to Klarna's website and log into your account. And then once you're there, you can just click on price comparison. And now you can enter the product or merchant who has the product, and then you can compare prices across different merchants to find the best options. And once you find it, you can just choose that option and make a purchase. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klarna's price comparison tool. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.